Okay, we're out here in the shop today, and I'm building a mini loader backhoe. I'm using this Poland Backhoe tractor. It's a real nice little tractor with 15 horsepower. So, first things first, is getting this hydraulic pump mounted. This tractor does not have the power to run a loader nor backhoe, so I have to install this pump, and in order to do that, I have to make a mount on the front of the tractor. I already got this plate cut off the front of the tractor, and now I'm needing to weld this piece of metal onto the front. I need to cut a round hole to fit in this ring. So, that's going to lay like that. I got to cut a hole. It has to be in the center, so it's all going to line up. And then my pump's going to sit in that ring, and hopefully, yeah, just about like that. And hopefully, it's all going to go together fairly easy. Let's get started. Got the hydraulic pump completely mounted in. It really went in easy. It's my welds aren't really the best. I haven't probably welded anything in about 2 years or so. I don't know if you can see that now. I got my coupler all hooked in there. It's all tightened down. And all this should be completely ready to go. The thing I'm going to do next is get all my hydraulic hoses hooked up. And I'm going to need to find a place to put a hydraulic reserve tank. That's probably going to be one of the harder things to do, is try to find a location to put it. It's going to have to be a decent sized tank to have enough oil for the loader and the backhoe. So I'm probably going to quit here on the hydraulic pump. This is about as far as I can go for right now. And next I'm going to start on the subframe. The subframe is going to run from the front tractor clear out to the back. And it's going to be hooked up in several points to strengthen the whole frame of the tractor. In order to run a backhoe on a tractor, you have to have a subframe, or you can break your tractor in two pieces. I'm not kidding. So I'm going to get that done here next. And then I reckon I'll probably get the loader set in place and all installed where it needs to be. And then I'm probably going to finish the plumbing for the hydraulic pump. And kind of see what goes from there. And the backhoe is probably going to be the last thing that's going to be going on. But hopefully this all goes fairly smooth. So far, this hydraulic pump went on a lot better than I thought it might. And so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of these videos coming up here next. Always like if you like it. And be sure to leave a comment. Write any questions you have. Tell me projects you're working on, anything. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to post on there every day, if I remember. I'm still new to Instagram and still trying to get it figured out. But I'm posting on there different things in between on the stuff I'm working on and stuff that is not going into my YouTube video, so make sure you check it out. Like always, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos.